Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your place and selecting the part or group you want to modify. Make sure you're in the Model or Home tab so the Properties panel is visible. Once selected, inspect Anchored and Can Collide in Properties. You'll change Can Collide to Disable Physical Interaction. If it's a grouped model, ungroup or select child parts. You do this now to avoid unexpected physics during testing and to prepare for either per-part changes or a script-based solution. Now you actually turn off collision. With parts selected, open Properties and uncheck Can Collide. That immediately prevents physics collisions. If you have many parts, select the model's children using Model Select All, then toggle Can Collide once for all. For dynamic control, insert a script or local script and set part. Can Collide equals false in a loop or on specific events so collisions toggle during gameplay. This method is cleaner for large builds and helps keep the editor state. Finish by implementing scripted control and testing. Insert the provided loop in a script to set Can Collide equals false for all base parts in a model, then run play to confirm behavior. Make sure collision groups in the collision groups editor aren't overriding expectations. Those settings can still cause contacts. If collisions persist, search scripts that might reset Can Collide and disable them temporarily. One reliable tip: test in both play and start modes, because server versus client scripts can produce different collision outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.